So today guys, I'll be sharing with you how to organize your browser. So it's very important na you have every site that you use frequently to be in place. So for example, below the URL box, nadarita na nimong bookmarks. So for you to add a site, you just have to press, if you're using Chrome, you just add to click this star to bookmark. And once you have bookmarked the site, it will appear here, just right below. And once you've done that, everything will be one click away. For example, if I need to go to a character count, for me to count how many words na akong nabuhat. So, kita na ako dari 75. If I need to go to find an emoji, one click away. If I need to go to Canva, it's just one click away. It's very effective and makes things faster if you do this. The problem with this method is when you have bookmarked so much URL already. So, as you can see, nani na siya, grabe nakagobot. So, I suggest that you install in your Google extension, Toby. So, you just find Toby. And once you found it in the web store, you just have to add it. So, I've already added it. Once you've done that, it will look like this. Okay. So, I have made already a list, a collection. So this is already grouped. So every links that is connected to the task is here. So this is our group chat, attendance, Zoom, group, classwork na to sa classroom, my drive, my website, my Facebook page, LinkedIn, Instagram, online jobs, Fiverr, and Upwork. So this make things faster. So si coach mangaya siya link sa imong FB page, LinkedIn, it's just one click away. Diba? Kopyahan na din mo diretso ang URL. You have Instagram, you have LinkedIn. So it's just one click away. Now for FB page, kay mag-create man ta. So for you to schedule post and for you to add stories, you would have to go to Creator Studio. So to get there, you just have to press this create post. Once you load, you just press for Creator Studio. Now, since we will be going to Creator Studio more frequently as we will be managing pages, we would have to add this link. So it will appear on the right side. You just have to grab. So you can see. So if we close everything, and then press Creator Studio, diretso na ka sa Creator Studio. Di na ka mag-press atong create post, then press na sa Creator Studio, diretso na siya. So in Creator Studio, you will be seen, for example, your schedule post, dari. So my Thursday and Friday is already set. So to schedule post, you just have to create post, and then once you've posted na, you just type, for example, test. You just choose schedule, and then press the day, choose the day and time you would want to, and then press schedule. For if you want to add story, just choose which page you will add story. So for mine is for my FB page. For example, I'll choose this one. Pwede po mo siya i-press, then pwede mo zoom in, zoom out. We could also add text or button, or you could choose text, and then you could also change the font. Pareha lang sa Messenger, and then I'm choosing blue because maman ako branding, color blue, and then you just share story.